What's up, guys? So I'm at a private pond right now. Got the doggo and brother, and we're gonna be camping. So I got the kayak, and yeah, we're gonna try to catch some fish. Well, we're gonna start with going out with the kayak. I got some red lures. I'm gonna try test out the sonar on a non-windy day. So hopefully this works out. Oh, there we go. Nice. Okay, let's see if I can turn this on. Back, stop. Okay, well, let's start casting. Just gonna start with what I got on here already. It's kind of difficult with a giant life jacket on here. Water is 60 degrees. Wow. Okay, let's just paddle around and see what else we can see up here. I have never had a boat on this, so see how deep everything is here. It's a warm one today. It's 6 feet. 7 foot, 8 foot. We got some fish here in the middle. 9 foot. This could be a good spot. I'm gonna get sunburnt, I tell you that. Okay, well, let's try a different lure. I got plenty to try here. Went to Walmart, got some chatterbaits, frogs, some crawdad looking bad boys here. But probably want this to start with. Yeah, let's try this bad boy. Okay, well. Did I already get a snag or a fish? First cast snag? Gotta be kidding me. Okay, I got it unsnagged. Holy cannoli, took like 20 minutes. So, I guess avoid that area. Okay, so had no luck on the kayak, so I don't know. I'm gonna go try to catch some like bluegill and stuff for cut bait. So, got the little setup, bobber, split shot, and a little itty bitty hook. Just gonna kind of work my way down the shore here. Hopefully, this makes a difference. I don't know. We'll see. throw her out. I literally haven't seen any fish though, so we'll see. Well, I literally moved down like 10 feet and something just took my bobber and everything down. Couldn't get it in its mouth though, so it must not be too large. X is over there whining. Yeah, these are tiny boys. Might need to get a smaller hook on this. Seem to be hanging right around that log, or logs in general. Ah, little bastards. Sorry, nightcrawler, shoving a hook up your butt, out your mouth. Okay, we're gonna try this sunny side over here. See how this goes. No clue. Yeah. Oh no. Had one. If it doesn't fall back in. Damn it. Well, kinda had one. One's got smelt and the other one's got 2 chubs. I've never tried smelt, but we'll see. Just hoping I can catch something. I think I'm gonna put this right down, kind of in between this stuff. Okay. The whisker seeker is gonna go right. I don't know. I don't like that. There we go. Cool. She's set. Just need to get her a bell. And let's put this bad boy out on the point. Yeah, I gotta get it rigged, but it works. I eat this bad boy a good 1/4 mile. Just hope these don't fling off. Yeah, boy. There we go. That's gonna be fun to reel in later. Cool. Set. Let's go wait for some fish. Oh, gotta get my bells too. Next. Bell 1 acquired. There we go. All set. Next. What are you doing? What are you doing? Be careful by the edge. Hey. Nope. No. You goober. You goob. I might try to still catch some bass, I guess. Just don't know what to use. You're getting all muddy. Getting all muddy. No. What are you doing? Max. Oh, I actually got a fish. Jared, I got a fish. It's a miracle. Back. Oh God. Nope. Jared, I got one. A bass. This special lure. First time I've ever caught anything with the 6th Sense lure. Hey, back. Ow. Oh, stop it, fish. No. Back's back. Might need my pliers. It's kind of double screwed there. Got it. Oh no. God, boy, I got one. Nothing special, but go, guy, go. Vex. Surprised I caught that with this. It's pretty
What color is it?
green and white. So maybe white's the color today. I don't know. Or I doubt green. Like instantly threw it out and it just bit it. Vex, what you done? You goob? What you doing? Slow down. Hey, chill, Vex. Be careful. Get up here. No. You're such a dork. Are you on drugs or what, bud? Vex, hold on, slow down. Get out of the water. Can't see. I thought you were bringing your own hot dogs. He's using mine. Why do I always use your shit? You offer them to me. Huh? Oh, had a bell go off again. I'm gonna assume it's the same one. We going? Sorry, lights out. I'm waiting for this bite again. I'm just gonna check it. Oh, I got it. It's on. Doesn't feel huge, but I don't know yet. Chill, kitty. Don't hurt yourself. Oh, shit. As I hit you off a rock. Nice. A pound or so. Nice little channel kitty. Ow, god damn, son. Okay, let's get you back. bit my hand just right. Okay. Wait, I have to keep you. I forgot. My bad. I forgot I gotta keep these. That was the name of the game. Bex, come on. Cool. 2 fish, a bass, and a catfish. Well, guys, I only caught like 2.5 fish. Still had fun though. It's nice getting out, just being in nature-ish areas. Yeah, I don't know. Gonna hopefully do some more camping here soon, and yeah, time to go home and unpack, the fun part. And I think Vex had fun. He kept playing in the water, so I'll try to add some of that footage in here if I can, but he's a goob. He's a goob. Later, guys. Love you. Bye. Back there. Get on mud. Go in the water. What are you doing? Special. He's special. You want that stick? Dork. Hey, good boy. Hey, chill. Nope, come here. X. So good boy. He's a good boy. Goober, dude. Max.